I am Ambud Sharma, and helping others by bringing equilibrium to any demand supply equation is what best describes me. Let me show you what I mean. During college, I was frequently approached by students who needed help securing an internship. I also knew many alumni who could identify internship opportunities at their workplace. I gathered information about internships all over Delhi. I started posting these opportunities on a Facebook page and a website that I had created. I gathered information on 100 internships in the first 3 weeks, and I ended up helping over 250 students secure positions. Although the website was not sustainable after I graduated, the experience gave me the confidence to put my ideas into action. One such idea is that of a community fridge. I share an apartment with 4 other guys in Mumbai, and we end up ordering out a lot. This leads to lots of excess food and leftovers that we end up throwing out. To solve this problem, we installed refrigerators outside residential societies and encouraged people to contribute their leftovers. We also solicited a few restaurants to contribute their excess food. The food is usually consumed by construction workers and people from nearby slum areas. On an average, our community fridge meets the daily food requirement of 25 people. It's not a large-scale solution, but by putting our win-win idea into action, we made our community a little better. Another example of how I try to achieve equilibrium surfaced when I helped a friend raise funding for his new venture. His engineering background did not equip him with the necessary knowledge on raising capital. So I leveraged my finance background to conduct due diligence in order to evaluate the extent of the opportunity. I also used different valuation techniques and scenarios to arrive at a fair value of the business. After meeting 8 potential investors, we secured INR 2.5 million in funding from a private investor. The experience taught me that when I acquire new knowledge or develop a skill, I like to pay it forward. When I completed the CFA and Part 1 of FRM program, I had achieved a personal milestone. And I wanted to help others who might have the same aspirations. I had the supply of knowledge, and I knew others had demand to acquire. In February 2015, I began teaching CFA and FRM curriculum at EduPristine, an authorized training provider for professional certifications. Being a content expert is one thing, but teaching the same is yet another. I have supplemented my knowledge with real-world examples in order to deliver the material that will resonate with every student. I then assess student learning by identifying learning gaps, and I complete the teaching cycle by adjusting my approach in order to ensure that my efforts deliver maximum impact. I also try to achieve equilibrium in my daily life. Because my research findings and project results generally impact policy, I emphasize accuracy and prudence in my conclusions. Meeting these demands of my daily life require that I work with a calm and focused mind. It is my personal philosophy that physical fitness is a prerequisite for being mentally fit and focused. Since the age of 12, soccer has been a big part of my life, and I continue to play in a local soccer league today. I have completed 2 half marathons, and I am currently training for my full first marathon in January 2016. These were few of the situations where I, like any economist, kept an open rational mind. This helps me not to think about impediments to solution, but rather just focus on putting myself and my ideas into action.
Created using Powtoon.